Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 7.13. The marginal cost of a product is given by MC is equal to 500 divided by root of 2x plus 25 and the fixed cost is rupees 2500. Find the total cost function. Also, find the average cost of producing 72 units. So, what is the total cost function? The total cost function is nothing but the integration of marginal cost. So, let's perform this. So, C is going to be integral of 500 divided by root of 2x plus 25 dx. C can be rewritten as, we'll take the 500 outside. So, 500 into integral of this 1 by root of 2x plus 25, I am writing as 2x plus 25 the whole power minus half dx. Because of the denominator, I am taking it to the numerator and writing it as minus half. Now let's perform substitution. So u is equal to 2x plus 25, which means du is equal to 2 dx or dx is equal to du divided by 2. So let's put all the values in C now. So C is equal to 500 into integral of u to the power minus half into du divided by 2. So see, if you this 1 by 2 if you take it out, C will become 250 into integral of u to the power minus half du. So normally let's do the integration. So C is equal to 250 into u to the power half divided by half plus the constant, which is nothing but the fixed cost, so plus 2500. So now let's simplify. So C is going to be equal to 1 by 2 in the denominator, 2 will go to the numerator. So 500, u is nothing but just the root of u is going to be 2x plus 25, you have a half, so this is root of 2x plus 25 plus 2500, that includes the fixed cost. So the total cost function can be given as C is equal to 500 into root of 2x plus 25 plus 2500. Now let's perform the average cost of producing 72 units. So average cost is nothing but C divided by x. So AC can be given as, every term we need to divide by x. So this is 500 into root of 2x plus 25 then plus 2500 divided by x, and here also this is going to be a division by x. This is going to be the average cost function, but they asked what is the average cost for 72 units. So let's substitute wherever x is there with 72. So this is 500 into root of 2 into 72 plus 25, the whole thing divided by 72 plus 2500 divided by 72. So this is nothing but 500 into root of 72 into 2 is 144 plus 25. So it is going to be 144 plus 25, which is 169. So root of 169 is 13. So first now I'm writing this as root 169 divided by 72 plus 2500 divided by 72. I'm going to approximate this as 34.7. Now let's compute this particular value. AC can be written as 500 into 13, the whole thing divided by 72 plus 34.7. So now let's compute 500 into 13, the whole thing divided by 72 is going to be equal to 90.27. Approximately I'm giving in this value plus 34.7. So if you add 90.27 along with that with 34.7, this is going to be approximately equal to 124.97, or you can round it off to rupees 125 approximately. Since we are doing a lot of round off, use the word approximately to convey the value. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.